Ladies and gentlemen, the title of this video might seem too good to be true, given that money dictates almost everything today. Want to open a business? Invest some money? Want to learn a skill? But how about making money without investing a single penny? This video is an all-in-one guide to question all your queries. So keep watching till the end, because in this video, I will walk you through some of the most incredible strategies and tips that are both practical and functional. So let's break this video into 7 major categories. 1. Freelancing. According to the research, the average freelancer earns $21 per hour worldwide. Sounds interesting, right? But what exactly is freelancing? Freelancing means working online for your clients and charging money for your skills. This is more like I am my own boss work, where you get to decide your own working hours, and your schedule too is flexible. You can offer any service from translation to video editing. A lot of clients earn really well that exceeds their own expectations on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Guru. According to the freelancers themselves, Upwork is a better platform out of others, as it allows you to bid on your desired projects and connect with the clients seamlessly. Let's delve in some facts now. The arts and design industry has the highest self-employment rate of approximately 77%, with marketing 58% and others. Out of them, web design is the service with the highest demand. Now, this doesn't imply that you need to start learning web design. Remember, passion over trend. Your passion might turn into a trend someday. However, one important thing to consider is to bid on selected projects, the one you are 90% sure of, and keep earning as much as you want. 2. E-commerce and dropshipping. Everyone wants to be an entrepreneur, but not all of them knows how to be one. Because a lot of people demand money for most of the businesses, this barrier stops smart individuals from growing. E-commerce and dropshipping is an emerging skill, not because it gets you a lot of money, but because it gets you money without investing. Dropshipping might be a new term to you. It simply means that you set up your store, but do not keep the products. Instead, you choose to work with a third party and get it shipped directly to the customer. The difference between the item you purchased and the item sold is your profit, without investing. So an entrepreneur is all free from hectic process of procurement, packaging, and delivery. No more stress about management and selling. No more long hours of packaging and worrying about delivering promptly. The Asia-Pacific region currently holds the largest dropshipping market share. In 2023, the global dropshipping market size was estimated at $243.42 billion and is expected to reach $301.11 billion in 2024. Imagine the amount, in billions. Let's burst the what niche bubble. The fashion industry is not just a niche of thriving business. It's a powerhouse for potential opportunities, and dropshipping is what adds magic to it. As per my research, I see a lot of potential in home decor and education niche as well. The e-commerce platforms such as Daraz and AliExpress are beginner-friendly that allow you to set up your accounts for free. This means absolutely no upfront fee. So do not wait. Now is the time to shine. 3. YouTube. Save your time from thoughts like, if I started my YouTube channel years back, I would have been popular by now. Or, will people actually watch my videos? Instead, it's time to create your YouTube channel and get things started, as YouTube can generate passive income, more than you can even imagine. Once your channel gets monetized, you will start earning in dollars. The steps are simple. First, opt a specific niche and make videos. This could be anything from daily vlogging, cooking, educating, entertaining, celebrity gossips, celebrity edits, poetry, and whatnot. The room for creativity is insane. However, the finest popularity, and what in YouTube language is called engagement and visibility, comes either from aesthetic videos or the entertainment videos. The more your video gets retention time, the more you earn. Invest some amount in a good setup and essential tools like tripod or ring light to enhance your video quality and start making videos. Editing is what keeps the audience hooked. There are tons of exceptional softwares, with Adobe holding the largest fame. Yet, people find phone editing more easier and choose for apps like InShot and CapCut. In the end, it's your right skills that can bring traffic. To monetize your channel, you will need to meet eligibility. This means earning 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 12 months. 1 year. However, this does not merely mean that YouTube monetizes every channel. With change in algorithms, YouTube has been more smarter than human, and it takes relevance, comments, likes, and other important characteristics into account. On YouTube as an option to choose for smart career, it is not too late to turn your passion into profit. 4. Content creation. You must be wondering how these content creators manage to enjoy a luxury life while people working 9, 5 couldn't even save money to fulfill their basic necessities. It's because content creation has a lot of money. It actually does. It is because they do not have one medium of earning, but rather earn through multiple platforms and diverse mediums. Until now, there is no sign that this business is not going to be sustainable in the longer run. In simple words, a content creator is someone who utilizes social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and others to create content. While writers, photographers, and others can also be considered as part of content creators, but vloggers and streamers who entertain the masses are what comes under conventional definition of a content creator. These creators majorly make money through advertising, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. This benefits both parties as bloggers promote their brand through videos, product placements, or shoutouts, and in exchange, charge money or free products. Nowadays, a lot of content creators, particularly on Instagram, have offered exclusive content that asks for subscriptions. Imagine even 100 users out of millions subscribe and you are loaded with money without even investing. Smart, right? Now, one of the most asked questions is, what niche should we pick? It depends, really. I won't say to go for your interest completely, but a perfect blend of what the viewers want to see and how your interest will align with them will generate the best outcomes. After all, creativity is what people wish to see and brings huge traffic. The results might be slow, but the outcome will be huge. Patience and consistency is what you need eventually. 5. Online courses and teaching. We often hear, sell your skills. So how about selling your teaching skills? All you need is just 3 things: your knowledge, your skills, and a good platform. In the realm of emerging competition about students and the strive for doing even more better, it's your time to sell your skills rightfully. While there are a lot more physical academies than there were previously, time constraint, money, and commute is what persuade them to opt for online classes. Online learning can increase student and employee retention to as much as 50%. This is more like a freelance business when both settle on working hours and charge either per hour, per day, or per month. The advantage over online classes is to get an opportunity teaching international students and build your strong portfolio. The research tells that online learning is the fastest growing market in the education industry. It has grown 900% since its creation in 2000. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and others allow you to offer service around the globe. Some more targeted platforms intended solely for online teaching includes Wyzend, Chegg, Tutor.com, and Preply. While these platforms offer an opportunity to earn, they charge a minimal percentage of commission from your earning. Wyzend will retain 25% of tutors' total income, and 75% is earned by the tutor themselves. Chegg tutors initially go through a screening test, and once approved, they get paid hourly. The average Chegg tutor pay in US is approximately $20. Tutor.com have their in-depth background check and hire teachers as employees rather than contractors. Preply too charge 18% to 33% of your hourly rate, depending upon the total number of lessons you have offered. Start earning risk-free income today. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing truly calls for unlimited earning. I want you to picture a scenario: collaborating with your top in the bucket list and earn a substantial amount. That too, from the comfort of your own home through a laptop and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Many individuals assume that you have to be a public figure for that. Let me tell you, it's just a misconception. You just need right skills to sell the products. But here's the thing. Affiliate marketing is more about building strong relationship with your clients for a long-term opportunity. By promoting your products in a persuasive way, you are profiting both ends. You are solving problems, and you are enriching lives. Let me mention a stat. 81.2% of affiliate marketers make more than $20,000 annually. Moreover, every year, affiliate marketing's total revenue increases by 10%. Such passive income with just the right set of skills and confidence. But how to get it started? First of all, choose your niche, whatever you are interested in. Think of options like fashion, skincare, food, electronics. Just keep thinking and align it with your interest. Find relevant affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and others. Sign up for these programs. All you need to master in is create quality content. This includes posts, videos, email newsletters, and others to create awareness about the brand. Promote affiliate links with your friends, family, and within social groups. Mastering search engine optimization, SEO. Drive insane sale. Keep trying diverse techniques and monitor the progress via tagging platforms. 7. Digital products. With Revolution, the digital market has taken over the world. Everything from education to buying and selling has been done via digital platforms. In this evolving market, selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and printables can generate huge revenue. Simply opt for a specific niche that is not saturated but has been popular lately and write a guide ebook on it. For example, the content of scented candles or artistic works such as embroidery is all scattered, and an ebook covering all spectrums will be functional. While these may require some upfront cost, such as platform or website fee, there are still free options to choose. Selling digital products in no upfront cost is possible as well. Platforms like Gumroad or Smashwords allow you to publish your writings for free. Moreover, Medium is an incredible platform to write and get amount by subscriptions. The more views you get, the more money you get. In simple words, it's game of writing engaging content, leveraging right marketing techniques, and sell your products on the right platforms. Hear me out. While these skills require no penny, it just needs patience, and patents. Not merely patience, but consistency and trusting the process too. Hope you like this guide, and if you do not forget to like, share, and build a super incredible community together. If you still have any query, drop it in the comments and I will try my best to answer all of them.